Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your stickers into some fun magnets. For the materials you'll need magnet sheets, a colored piece of paper, your stickers, a scanner, and a Cricut. First, scan your stickers to your computer with the colored paper behind it. This will help with contrast. Then I had to load mine into Photoshop and erase the background and fill it in with an imposing color. The reason being that my colored paper was textured, so it wasn't showing up correctly in Cricut Design Space. Then save it as a JPEG and upload it to Cricut Design Space. Select it as a complex image, erase the background, and save it as a cut image. Then upload it to your project and change the image size to an 8x10. Then it's time to make it. Change the base material to the 0.6mm magnetic sheet and hit continue. Now it's time to put the magnet sheet, adhesive side up, on a strong grip mat. Load it into your Cricut and get it cutting. Then remove the cut magnets from the mat. Peel off the backing and stick it to your stickers. Continue it with all of them. And that's it! These took some trial and error, but I'm so happy with how they turned out. The best part is if I want to use them as a sticker up the road, I can just remove them from the magnet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.